So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Wipro National Level Talent Hunt, that means NLTH 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon, because in the next video we'll be discussing about some of the sure short questions and answers for this NLTH, so that you will be able to crack this interview or off-campus drive more easily. And also, if you want to apply for the other off-campus drives, you can check our official YouTube channel, Helpful Techniques. So here we have uploaded minimum of 70 to 80 videos regarding latest off-campus drives and the job references. So you can apply for the job roles according to your eligibility criteria and the preferences. So now let's discuss about the job role and eligibility criteria. So the job role they are hiring for the project engineer, and qualification required is BE, BTech, MTech only. No other qualification background candidates like MCA, BCA or BSc candidates are not eligible for this role. Then batch. Only 2021 year of pass out candidates are eligible for this role. No other year of pass out candidates like 2018 or 2020 or 2019 not eligible, unfortunately. And salary will be getting 3.5 LPA as usual. And job location they are hiring for across India, that means the pan India. So according to your flexibility and willingness and according to their requirements, you'll be getting the job location or the work location. Then event date or the interview date. So it will be from 11th January 2021 to 17th January 2021. And last date to apply for this role is 5th January 2021. So now let's discuss about the other eligibility criteria. So as we discussed earlier, BE, BTech and 5 years of integrated MTech candidates are eligible for this role. Then branch of study, only CSE, IT or the circuit branch candidates or the background candidates are eligible. No other non-IT or the non-CSIS candidates like mechanical, civil are not eligible for this role. Then in 10th standard you must have achieved minimum of 60%, and for the 12th standard also 60%, and for the graduation minimum of 65%, or the CGPA equivalent to 65%. Minimum it is required. Then service agreement. So it is applicable for the 12 months. If you are leaving this company before 12 months, you need to pay 75,000. This is a agreement. And maximum of 3 years of education gap is allowed for this Wipro or for this off-campus drive. So if you have any year gap between 10th and graduation, you must be less than equal to 3 years. Then all the arrears or the backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection process. That means no active backlog during the interview process or the selection process. So the candidates who have participated in the Wipro off-campus drive in the last 6 months are not eligible or are not allowed for this off-campus drive. Then the selection process. So there will be an online assessment first of 140 minutes containing 3 sections. So first one is the aptitude test, logical ability, quantitative ability and the English verbal ability questions will be there, and you will be getting 60 minutes to complete this round or for this section. And then the written communication test, essay writing there will be, and you will be getting 20 minutes to complete this section. Then online programming test, there will be 2 programming or the coding questions, and duration will be getting 60 minutes. For 2 questions you will be getting 60 minutes, or that means 1 hour. So let me tell you one thing, candidates can choose any of the programming languages for the coding test according to their convenience. Either you can type the codes in Java or C++ or Python, etc. After successfully completing or after if you are being shortlisted for the next round, then there will be 2 more rounds, technical interview and the HR interview. So that means totally there will be 3 interview process. First one is the written test, then the technical interview or the technical round, then the HR interview or the HR round. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for this role if you are eligible and willing to apply. So this is the official website of Wipro. This is here you can see Elite NTH 2021. So here you can see. So let me tell you one thing. So the registration process for this off-campus drive is not open till now. So they will be notifying you once the registration process is start. So I'm requesting all of you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever the registration process is start, so we'll notify you all through our YouTube channel. So here you can see all the eligibility criteria and the interview process, etc. As we discussed earlier, all these things are here. So I hope you get a clear idea about this process and the interview process and the eligibility criteria. If you are facing any difficulties or if you have any doubt regarding this off-campus type, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So I think in the December mid, that means 15th December, after 15th December, the registration will be started. So whenever the registration process starts, we'll notify you all through our YouTube channel. So stay connected with us so that we'll be able to help you when the registration starts. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.